Greetings, salutations YouTube, itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a haul, so if you guys are interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, hit the little eye right there, that window will pop out and you can select that video there, along with playlists for my other thrifting videos, haul videos, handbag rehabs, and vlogs. And if you guys love that sort of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell button for notifications, and check out my Instagram too, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's get into this haul, because I got some really exciting stuff to share with you guys. And yeah, so, okay. I think we got a pretty good selection of stuff. I'm just gonna start grabbing stuff really quickly. So, the first thing I have here, are you, like, can you guys see the photo right there? They are fairy tale pancake molds, and these are actually from Williams-Sonoma, and there is a princess, a unicorn, and I actually don't know what the other thing is. Well, I wonder if it says what it is. Princess. Bubble up. No, those are just directions. I actually do not know what the other thing is. It might be a dragon. I don't know, it kind of looks like a cow, to be honest. I don't know what it is. But the most important thing is that there's a unicorn. So, unicorn pancakes. I am so excited. We're going to be definitely making these all summer long. And this was only $4.99. They're $16 at Williams-Sonoma. So I thought it was a pretty good price. They never go for that cheap. It's like less than half off. So I'm very excited about this. And it's pretty much brand new still. So there's that. Let's throw that down there. And then, okay, so these are kind of random, but my brother John, if you guys have watched any of my like vlogs about him and stuff with him in it, or have like seen like his room where I show you guys the inside of his room, he is obsessed with this anime called One Piece, and it's one of his favorite ones. And I was lucky enough to find 2 One Piece mugs at the Goodwill. They're $1.99 each, which is a little, I mean, it's not too bad, but like first, I don't know, but I've never seen One Piece mugs, and I'm pretty sure they're probably like pretty pricey. So 2 for $4 I think is a good deal, especially for something that John really likes. Plus he drinks coffee all the time, and albeit these mugs are a little small, but I guess he can use both of them at the same time. So yeah, One Piece mugs, so cool. If anyone knows One Piece, say hi down in the comments below. John and I love anime. I don't know if you guys know that about. I think you guys know that about John, but I love animes too. I think I'm pretty much like more like the old school. Anime is not really like anything new, unless it's like Miyazaki or stuff like that. Like I watch like a couple other things that are out right now, but not too much current stuff. But the old stuff, like I'm obsessed with. So I even used to watch One Piece too back in the day. I actually watched this before John did. So there's that. Okay, and then up next, okay, this is so beautiful. I was so excited to find this piece, and it is a Vera Wang for Wedgwood. It's like a bowl face thing. I really love the color, and I know the light is washing it out, so you can't really see like what the color is exactly, but it's a beautiful, like almost, it's like a pale powder blue color. It's just really pretty. There are some marks on it, but I think I can clean them off. And again, I know that like it's getting washed. The light is just killing the color. So it's really pretty though. I'm so happy about it. I'll definitely be styling it in a vlog very soon, and also I'll have it up on Instagram too, so that I can have like a better representation of the color. Just because this is so pretty. And I've never seen a piece of pottery this color, like in this like beautiful shade of blue. So I'm very excited. Vera Wang always chooses really pretty colors, and it's very like spring, summer, also very bridal. I can see this like if like you did like a bridal photo shoot, like where the bride's like in her dressing room, and then this could be like on like the little counter or something with like some peonies or something really pretty inside. Like that's what I'm imagining with this, and I just really like it. So I was over the moon when I found that piece. I was just like, ooh, it's so pretty. And then I lifted the sticker to see like if it had like a make or anything. And then Vera Wang, so exciting. Okay, so up next, oh, I need to sneeze. My sneezing fit is over. The next item I have to show and share with you guys is this beautiful tray. It's so pretty. I love like a good like inlay tray, and this one is beyond gorgeous. I love it so much. And this one is actually from Home Goods. I guess it was originally $60, and then it was on sale there for $25. This was $3.99. I love it so much because it's kind of like a natural like off-white color, and then with like the contrasting black. And I think it's so beautiful. It's so classy. This would be perfect like on a vanity or on like a console table. You can have like a little candle right here, and then maybe like a little thing of flowers, or you can do like a little stack of books, and then a little like trinket box. You can do so many things with this. It can go anywhere, and it just definitely makes a statement because of the color choice, and it's a very like contrasting, and that's what I really like about it. So it's just a really cool piece, and I was excited to find it. Inlay stuff is also very popular right now, and I feel like it's something that's timeless. I feel like this kind of like inlay design is always popular all the time. So I was very happy to have found that. And I'm sorry, like I'm showing you like things kind of randomly. There's like no rhyme or reason to the order that I'm showing you things. It's just like whatever I'm thinking of that's right next to me. The next item I have here is, okay, so they have had these in the store for forever, and they had them priced pretty aggressively before it was like really expensive for a thrift store. But these were all new. Like if you watch the thrifting video, there were like, I want to say like they probably had like 20 of these. They just had them stacked on an end cap like waterfall, and they're these sharper image like bear feeding game. And I know the boys are gonna go crazy with this. I'm probably not gonna give them the gun because I feel like they're gonna shoot things that they're not supposed to. But they can just like toss the things into the bear's mouth, and I think that'll be fun enough. And yeah, I just thought this was really cool. So the last time I saw, I believe these were like $14, like at that price. And then they had them all priced now at $4.99, which I think is a lot cheaper and a lot like that price I'm okay with. And I think this is just a really cool toy. I should have probably stocked up on these because these would be like really good gifts, I think, for kids like friends. So I don't know, but there's that. Let's see how they like deal with it when I show it to them. Is that right now I have a bunch. I don't know if you guys know what spheros are. They're like these little robot balls, and you can control them with your phone. They kind of look like BB-8, but it's just like BB-8's body without like the little head part. And Sphero actually makes those BB-8 things too, and these spheros are so cool. So cool. You guys have to check out my vlogs from like the past 2 or 3 days when they had like 28 of them at a Goodwill, and I literally ended up buying all of them, and I think so far like 6 of them work. So I'm still testing out a couple more to see how many of them are working. But yeah, like they're about $8 a piece, around there, and I think originally they're like $150 brand new. So I think like $8 is a good deal. And I pretty much bought all of them for the price of like one. So, but I'm definitely going to be returning a few again, because I think I made like 3 trips so far, like buying and exchanging them, because yeah, my last trip, like the second time I went, none of them worked, and I bought like 7 of them. So I don't even know why I'm telling you this. Anyway, okay, so up next, another vase. But you guys, if you watch my vlogs and my thrifting videos, I'm obsessed with animal like shaped planters, and I have a turtle that looks exactly like this kind of style, like the way this elephant is, and I feel like they're from like the same place, and I'm like, I don't know where that one's from, I don't know where this one's from. It doesn't have like any like markings or anything about where they may be from, except that I just love them. So this little guy is so cute. I also like have this thing with elephants. Ever since I was little, Dumbo was one of my favorite Disney movies, and to this day, like whenever I see an elephant, I just feel nostalgic and it just makes me happy. And I actually have a couple elephant planters. I think I have like a mini one that looks almost exactly like this. And that's gonna be like my little, so that's perfect because I actually have like the big turtle like that's like this, and then I also have like a little turtle. So now I have a big elephant and I have a little elephant. So like they each have little babies. It's so cute. So this was $5.99. I love these vases because not only do they make a statement with the design of them, but they serve like a really cool purpose of putting plants inside. And for these, I don't put like dirt or anything inside. I just get like a plant that's already inside like a container, and then I put that inside. So I just switch them out all the time, which I like because it gives me like so many options with doing different things inside these guys. So, but this guy is so cool, and I'm very, very excited. And I know the kids are gonna get a kick out of this because they love animal planters too, which is really funny. They probably get it from me because I'm always like, ooh, look at this, and they're like, ooh. So okay, that rounds out like the clothing. Now I just have two more items to show you guys, and one of them are these really cool champion slides. I am not like cool like I'm not like cool as in like my clothing choices or my shoe choices really. So like I know like I think like these are like really, I don't know if these particular ones are cool, but I know like the Gucci slides, the Fendi slides, Supreme and all that stuff are like really popular. But I just like these, like these champion slides kind of remind me of those, just because it has like the big graphic print, and then it has like the embossed Champion logo on there as well. And these were $3.99, and Champion is usually pretty pricey. Like I know like these probably weren't $3.99 at the store. These are actually in really great shape, and honestly it doesn't look like anyone ever wore them. Like the bottoms look really good, and the inside of the sandals look really good as well. There's just cracking on the design, which might just have been from storage or from the store, like damage, like when they're on display or whatever. But I don't really mind. I just tried them on and they were super comfy, and I just wanted like some new house slippers to wear around the house. Like I probably wouldn't wear these going out. But I think that these would just be fun to wear around the house, and they are so comfy. I'm wearing them right now, and I love them. Okay, so I'm very excited about that. Okay, so then I have one last item. Now these were really cool. It was one of the first items that I saw when I was shopping at the Goodwill, and it is these shoes. So they are Stella McCartney for Adidas, and they're really cool. I think they just need like a slight cleaning, but other than that, I think they're like in pretty good shape. But they're like black and then kind of like a cream color, and these were, how much were they? Oh, they were $9.99. There's an X right there. So they were $9.99. And so cool, like they actually fit me. So I think I'm just gonna keep these for myself and just wear them too, like when I'm walking the dogs or something. I'm not really someone that wears sneakers very often, unless I have to. Like we're gonna go like on a hike, or like even when I walk the dogs and go hiking in the back, I just wear my Sperry's. So I'm just like really weird. I just like comfortable shoes. I just don't really like sneakers too much. I feel like my feet feel really squished, but I don't know, I'm just weird. But yeah. So cool. I really like these shoes. I like the mesh, like how it's not like, it's kind of like floating off of like the underside part. Like I don't know, I can't even explain it. But they were kind of remind me of like a suit of armor, like chainmail almost. I don't know. It just gives me like that kind of like medieval vibe with the modern shoe, and I'm weird, but that rounds out today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite item was that we got today, and let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love hearing about your finds as well. And don't forget to tune in to today's vlog that goes up at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and tune in tomorrow for a new thrifting video at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Oh my gosh, you guys, there's a Kate Spade camera bag that is so stinking cute. I think it's like $37. Do I need this? It's not even gonna fit my camera in it though. But it's so adorable. It'll fit this camera, like actually it'll fit my other camera, like my older one. Anyway. Oh. Oh, so expensive, but so nice. $65. Oh, this is so cute.